giving body. It's giving body. It's giving I'm coming home for the holidays. It's giving take me shopping, cause she deserves it.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, my name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to me, make sure you press the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification button so you can be ready for the next video that's coming out, because your girl is on the roll, okay? She's on the roll. So let's get into it, class. Today we have a Outre wig, okay? You knew it was coming again and again, and it's gonna keep coming. But today we're gonna do an Outre wig, and her name is KALINDA. This is a 360 wig. It is 13 by 6 hand-tied lace frontal, and it has the 360 lace edges, and it is 100% human hair blend, okay? You can put it up in a ponytail. You can have it out like that, how you want. And you can put that thing half ponytail, half down with some little, you know, little hairs coming down in the front. Okay, it's the big deal right now. Let's get into it. And this is our card. And the inside of our card, okay? This is a premium human hair blend, 360 all around hand tied lace edges, 13 by 6 HD lace frontal, pre-plucked hairline with a natural shape, full temple coverage in sideburn to sideburn hand tied lace, and pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. Okay, and these are the colors. And for our color of the day, our color is in DR2/honey brown, okay? Let's pull her out. Okay, so it's giving honey brown for sure, okay? It's giving honey brown with our dark roots. Y'all know I love a dark root, okay? A dark root, just in case I want to use my own edges. My hair is already dark. Okay, you see? This is the inside of the wig. The whole thing has lace around it. These are combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. And you see our edges are edging. The edges are edging. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm not going to put glue around my whole head, but I am going to put a little bit of glue in the front of my head, okay? So we can get into it. So let's get into it. Okay, so I let the glue dry and I unwrapped it. I didn't do no edges or nothing yet. I just moved it around a little bit, trying to figure it out. But I'm about to brush this out. This is like yakish type of hair, which I love because it make it more like a fuller look. Look at them edges. Why is the edges so long? Why are y'all making it difficult for me? You know I don't freaking know how to do perfect edges, and they got these long edges, and I don't know how long I need to cut, because that's the part I don't feel like figuring out. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna cut across. Okay. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. Did I cut too low? Maybe I'm overthinking. This is why I don't like doing that. Like, I don't want to have to think if I cut too short or too long or whatever. This is going to have to be what it's going to be. Okay, so let's get into the hair, though. Let's get into the hair. The hair is looking marvelous. It's thick. It's beautiful colors. The black roots look good. The wave or curl bounce feels pretty great, you know. I could do a sideways by side part like this. Booyah. Booyah. This hair look good. Okay, let me see how I look like in a ponytail with these little things hanging out in the front. Listen, I'm not doing it completely all the way, but I could just tell if I put some effort into it, this hair is going to look marvelous. And I think I'm going to do that for my pictures. Like, leave these two out in the front. Do half up, half down. Or I can go all the way up. And let this hang, you see? You see where I'm going with this, right? Yeah, I know you do. Put that thing all the way up because it's a 360 wig if you want to, sis. If you want to pull the whole thing up. Look at those. Ah! Look at those edges. Oh my goodness. Listen, all it takes is a little bit more effort and you got the look, baby. You got a whole look with a ponytail. Pull up that hair. And do it like this. Just that easy. Or wear it all out, sis. I love it. Yeah, this hair is definitely Yaki-ish hair. And I feel like if you don't take good care of this one, your hair could get real frizzy real fast. So, because this is the type of hair, like, it's like, you know you got to take care of that hair. You know what I mean? Like, it's really Yaki thick. And if you don't brush it out, put some love and care into it, it could easily becomes overly tangled if you don't take care of it. That's why I be trying to take care of my wigs. Especially them good wigs like this where you can do versatile styles. You might want to take care of those, baby. Because you might need something quick and be like, oh shoot, I need to do like a updo, but I don't like the way my hair look. Guess what? You got an Outre wig that you could pull out. You could pull it into an updo. Pull some hairs out in the front and call it a day. Yeah, think about it. And I love me like messy hair, so I love like doing like this and like it gives it a rough look, but it's sexy and rough. I love sexy and rough, don't you? But shout out to Outre because Outre been coming through with the new wigs. The new wigs is giving too great. Body crazy, curvy, wavy. Yeah. Like at this point, I don't even be worried if my wig's gonna like be ugly from Outre because the improvement is just getting better and better. I want to give her another name though because she's giving another name. What could we call her? Cause she's giving totally different. Totally different. What about Sherry or Michelle or Beyonce? Cause it's giving main character vibe, so it's giving Beyonce. Okay. Hey, Beyonce. Anywho, I don't know what else to say about this hair. If you got any questions, ask me below, and I'm gonna answer them to the best of my abilities. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to the next one because you know I'm gonna have another one coming. So see y'all next time. Peace.